Yost 207, 7 1/8 inch wide jaws, 11 1/4 inch jaw depth opening, 29 1/2 inches total length, and 13 1/2 inches tall. This is one that's not going to be restored, I don't think, by anybody. I'm going to use it. I'm going to make a user out of it. I got a stand for it. There's the repair I did for the swivel base. I got to finish it up, but I got another project I'm working on. I have 2 more projects I'm working on, so beat to hell, that's for sure. Back of the vise used as an anvil. Again, not a pristine item for restoration, but more of a, I think it'll hold my 350, F350. Okay, thanks.